Assalamualaikum. First we have to download the app or go from Google Chrome or any browser. Then we have to give our ID and password. After logging in, our ID will look like this. Then going to this option, we will get the exams. In exams there is the marks. In marks you will add the click to the plus sign. From plus sign we will select the branch, Gulshan. Class, which class do you want to insert the marks? Suppose standard 6. Then section, girls. Then semester, half yearly. Exam, hall test, performance or class test. So if we give the hall test at first, then we will go to subject. Subject is computer studies or the subject you are giving input to. Then we will submit it. After submitting, we will give the exam date. The exam date is, if you could remember, you may give it. We will publish it on 16th. Exam name is hall test. Full marks is 75. Pass marks, it is optional. You may give. If you don't need, you may not give. Okay, then comes the subjective marks. So we will give you will give the subjective marks. Suppose roll number 1 got 74. Then we can give next. Then we will give the other marks, 78, 63, 69, 23. Like this you will give all the marks and then submit it. Again you may go to marks, then add the marks, Gulshan, class 6, section girls, semester half yearly, exam class test, subject computer studies, submit. Exam date, any date you prefer, publish on 16th. We will not give the previous date before 16th. Otherwise the students can be able to see it. Exam name, class test. Full marks 15. Pass marks not needed. Then again the class test will be inserted, 15, 14, 13, and like this you will go on and then insert all the subject marks like this. Lastly you have to submit it. After this, when we will process the result card will be processed. Thank you so much for your time, and if you don't understand anything, please let me know. I'm here to help you. Assalamu alaikum.